Hi viewers, welcome to Excel Tutorial Hub. In this video, we will learn how to calculate discounted price in MS Excel. Let's walk through the function with the help of this table. So, here we have the name of two items, their price and discount percentage. We need to find out the discounted price. To find out the discounted price, we need to type here is equal to, click on the price, asterisk sign, open parenthesis, type 1 minus, click on discount percentage and close parenthesis, press enter. So the price of first item is 2000 and the discounted price is 1800. Now let's find the discounted price of the second item by applying the same formula. So for that we need to type here is equal to, click on the price, asterisk sign, open parenthesis, type 1 minus, click on discount percentage and close parenthesis, press enter. So the price of the second item is 1500 and the discounted price is 1275 rupees. Now I will drag it down to find out the discounted price of all items. So that's how we can calculate discounted price in MS Excel. Thanks for watching this video. If you found this video helpful, like this video and subscribe Excel Tutorial Hub for more interesting videos about Excel.